Dishwasher identifying fault. Understanding your GE dishwasher's fault codes can save time and money. Fault codes display specific issues with your appliance. Identifying these codes is the first step to fixing the problem. This section helps you read and interpret these codes. Reading the display. Your GE dishwasher has a digital display that shows fault codes. These codes appear as a combination of letters and numbers. They indicate specific issues. To read the display, look at the control panel. The code will flash if there is a problem. Interpreting the codes is crucial for troubleshooting. Here is a list of common codes and their meanings. E1, water supply issue. E2, drainage problem. E3, heating issue. F1, door lock issue. F2, temperature sensor problem. Each code points to a specific problem. Fixing the issue depends on the code. For example, an E1 code means checking the water supply. An E2 code means looking at the drainage system. If you see a fault code, consult your user manual. The manual provides detailed instructions for each code. This can guide you through the troubleshooting process. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.